You want to know why nobody takes you seriously? Why nobody respects you when you put your foot down, when you tell them you've had enough, but they just start telling you that you're tweaking and you're losing your mind? It's because you don't respect yourself. You don't respect yourself. You have no self-respect for yourself. So if you don't respect yourself, why do you expect others to respect you? All that disrespect you throw on yourself, how much more of it are you going to tolerate? How much more of this disrespect are you going to unnecessarily put on yourself? Because whatever disrespect you put on yourself is going to translate over how other people treat you. If you treat yourself with disrespect, other people are going to disrespect you too. You need to realize the world is a reflection of yourself. So the way you treat yourself is exactly the same way the world is going to treat you. There were times in my life where I would go a month straight without showering, a month straight without brushing my teeth, and it sounds disgusting, I know, but when you have terrible mental health, when you feel so depressed that you just don't even care about taking care of your own hygiene, you don't even want to take a shower. Like, I'll be standing in my bathroom, bro, just with the water running and just staring at myself in the mirror, like telling myself, bro, just the shower is right there, it's like 2 feet away, just go hop in, take a shower and come out. But it's like I could not make myself do it no matter how hard I tried. Not brushing my teeth, not showering, bro, I was musty as hell, and I'm overweight too, bro. So of course now I'm becoming self-conscious of my period. Now I'm thinking to myself, bro, I look ugly as hell. I look so unattractive. Like, why would anybody want to talk to me? Now, because of that lack of respect I had for myself in my personal hygiene, physical hygiene, it translated over to me not having any respect for myself when it came to talking to other people. It made me feel inferior to other people because of this one thing, but just because of what, not showering. That's just one way we're disrespecting ourselves. Imagine all the hundreds of ways we disrespect ourselves when we know we're supposed to be doing something, but we do the opposite, intentionally knowing the consequences. And you'll make excuses for it, saying I'm only sleep deprived for like 1 day, or I'm only gonna have 1 cheat meal, but that one is the one that matters. You want to aim for constant improvement, 1% better every single day. And of course you're going to mess up, you're going to have bad days, you're gonna have off days from time to time, but that does not mean that you're gonna cut yourself slack. It does not mean that you're going to hold yourself to such a low standard. You need to have higher standards for yourself. You are disrespecting yourself when you're not holding yourself to the highest standard, because don't compare yourself to what everybody else is doing, because everybody else doesn't respect themselves. Everybody else is sleep deprived. They'll play video games all night, they'll go and binge watch YouTube or Netflix or whatever, bro. Like, they don't care about their lives and they have no future in their lives. So why do you want to be like them? Why do you want to compare yourselves to them? You know how much more you're capable of and how much more potential you truly have. But your self-respect is limiting you, because you know you're supposed to be in bed by a certain time so you can wake up on time for school, but you don't do that. You sleep deprive yourself by watching Netflix all night or by playing video games all night. And you wake up feeling tired, you'll go get a Celsius or Starbucks, and then you go try to get your work done. But then by the middle of the day, you feel so brain dead tired that you can't even do any work, which you could have avoided by actually taking the time to respect yourself, by respecting your sleeping schedule and actually sleeping. You know that physique you want, that's 10 out of 10 physique that you're dreaming of, that you know is possible to achieve, but you don't hit your workouts hard enough. You slack on your workouts, or you slack on your diet. You want to go eat McDonald's when you know you should be eating like chicken and broccoli or whatever. Every time you do that, you are disrespecting your body, and you don't deserve to have the body you want, because you don't deserve it. You don't deserve something you don't respect. Because if you don't respect your body, you don't deserve to have a nice body. If you don't respect your sleep, you don't deserve to be cognitively awake throughout the day. You know that smoking weed messes you up, it makes you slow and retarded, but you're still gonna go spend your last $40 on the za. Like, come on, bro, like, you don't deserve to be productive then, because you don't respect yourself. You can't even put the weed down, so you absolutely deserve to be destroyed by somebody who doesn't smoke weed, somebody who doesn't sleep deprive themselves, somebody who actually eats a clean diet. They absolutely deserve to destroy you. They absolutely deserve to have more respect come towards their way, because they treat themselves with respect, unlike you. Because if you're still watching this video, you're not normal, bro. You're not. You're worth more. You have so much more potential for yourself, but you want to handicap yourself by disrespecting yourself. by not holding yourself to higher standards. And because you don't hold yourself to high standards, nobody else holds you to high standards too. Because they see this dude who says he wants to be fit, he wants to be successful in life, but they also see him eat junk food every day, they see him smoking weed every day, they see him playing video games and sleep depriving himself. So why do you deserve anybody's respect? Because you say one thing, but your actions show something else. And when it does come to other people, you need to set boundaries for yourself. Otherwise, they have the right to walk all over you. How many times have you been such a pushover to other people because you've had low standards for yourself, because somebody asked you to do something and you felt so bad to say no to them that you said yes anyways, even though you didn't want to? I remember at my old workplace where I would constantly have people calling out, and me being new, this is my first job, by the way, I've never worked before. All my coworkers want to take their shifts off. Let me actually help them out because I feel bad saying no to them. And I would pick up every single one of their shifts. I would be working like 7 days straight, working for 50 hours straight. But then when I want to take a day off, when my family wants to go like on a family holiday or something, and I request a day off, they would be like, no. They would literally give me no choice, or if I tried swapping shifts with somebody, they would always be busy. They walked all over me and I let them because I set no boundaries for myself. So when it did come time for me to set boundaries, it was already too late. You know what your worth is, so why are you settling for less? You can make all the time in the world for other people's happiness, but when are you going to find time for your own happiness? When are you going to find time to actually express what you want in your life, what you truly desire? Because it all compounds. Your self-respect, it translates to every aspect of your life. Not being able to stick to the goals you set for yourself, not being able to set boundaries in front of other people, not being able to have like positive self-talk, it all compounds and it ruins your life. Why are you going to intentionally ruin your life when you know you deserve so much more respect? Not just from other people. Forget about other people. Focus on what you can do to give yourself more respect. Because if you don't show yourself respect, you're not ever going to get respect from other people. Because once you start showing yourself respect, that's when other people respect you. Because once you respect yourself to have like the physique you want, nobody's going to try you. Once you have respect for yourself to actually sleep properly, nobody would actually get on your nerves. Once you have respect for yourself to set up boundaries, to know where to draw limits, people will respect you. But if you don't respect yourself, nobody's going to respect you. So you need to stop tolerating all this disrespect and actually treat yourself with more respect.